Hi everyone, I'm going to teach you guys how to record your meeting in Google Meet. First, please make sure you have joined using your student email account. To start the recording, please click on the three dots at the right bottom corner. Then click on the record meeting. Click accept. The recording will start soon. If you want to stop the recording, same thing like how you record the meeting. Click on the stop recording. Click stop recording. Before that, you need to get the permission from your host before you do the recording. The recording will save to your host's Google Drive. Thank you.
Hello, I'm going to show you how to record meeting session in Microsoft Teams. Before we start, disclaimer alert. Make sure to ask permission from the meeting's host to avoid any unwanted issue. This method will only work if you are under the same organization as the host of the meeting. Okay, let's start. Firstly, you need to be in a meeting session in Microsoft Teams to start the recording. In the meeting, there should be a three-dotted icon available. Click the icon and the start recording option will be available. Then click the option. With this, the meeting session will be recorded. To stop the recording, simply repeat the previous action and stop recording option will be available. By clicking the option, the recording will be stopped and can be accessed in the Teams General Post section. It will be sorted based on date and time. Further actions such as sharing the recording can be done. That sums up on how to record the meeting session in Microsoft Teams. Thank you.
Hello everyone, so I'm going to teach you about how do you record your screen using OBS Studio. So before we start, OBS Studio is free for everyone, so it doesn't cost any money. Please feel safe to use it. First of all, we need to download OBS. So let's search for OBS. Search for this website and open it. You will see download installer. Just click on that and install your OBS Studio. So after you install it, this is how it looks like. So you open it. So as you can see here, I have added my screen that I want to record here. So let's say for an example, so let's say I have a Zoom going on right here. Press N, press window capture. Okay. So if you can change your screen that you want to record, the window that you want to record, change it here. Press OK. So let's say you got WebEx, Zoom, or any other website or apps you want to record. Just press add to the source, and if you want to start recording, just press here and press on the same button to start recording. But please ask permission from your lecturer if you are recording a lecturer class to avoid unnecessary troubles. And if your screen goes black and you can't add your sources, you may want to try to go to your setting and change your battery or power plans to high performance and close your OBS and other things and try again. So that if still have troubles on the black screen, I will put a link at the comments for you to refer so that you can solve your problems. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hey guys,
After knowing how to record videos from platforms such as Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and OBS, today I'm going to demonstrate how can we upload the videos from our computers to Google Drive for self-reference and sharing purpose. First of all, do locate where the videos are saved in. After that, we open Google Drive using the email address you want it to. To upload videos or file here, simply press right-click on the mouse and search for Upload Files. Now search for the files we need to upload and select it. Press Open to start the uploading process. As you can see, the folder is now uploading to Google Drive. Once uploading is completed, the video can be accessed anywhere as long as you are signed in with your own Google account. You can also share the videos with your friends using links obtained from Google Drive. Just select on the video you wish to share and right-click on the mouse to search for Get Link. Click Get Link to generate a link used to share the videos. To check what condition will the reader with the link could do to the file, you can change the viewer's roles. Now, viewers indicates that anyone with the links could only view the files or videos you share. Commenters allow them to comment, and editors allow them to edit the file or videos. Now copy the link and share the links to your friends to let them access or download the videos. Besides, you can also add the accounts of other users you want to give access to this file in Share with Peoples and Groups. This allows them to have direct access to the file even without link. Now that's all from me. Thanks for watching.